Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
The top benefits, nutritional values, uses, and storage of Malabar spinach. The scientific name of Malabar spinach is Bacilla alba or ruba. However, sounds like spinach, but it is not at all spinach. They can be distantly related to each other. Common names of Malabar spinach is Ceylon spinach, Vietnamese spinach in English, San Choi, Shan Soi, Luo Kai, Shu Chei, Lo Kwai in Chinese, Suru Murasaki in Japanese, Mong Toi in Vietnamese, Pak Pru in Thai, Jenjerot, Jinga, Gendula in Indonesian. Malabar spinach is native to South Asia in the monsoon-fed tropical regions of the Malabar coast of India and Sri Lanka. Malabar spinach contains lots of antioxidants, protein, iron, calcium, potassium, and phosphorus, which has many health benefits. Healthy heart. Folate is crucial to scale back the homocysteine level, that is a gift within the blood. Homocysteine will increase the probability of strokes and heart attacks. Vitamin B complex helps to convert the homocysteine into an essential amino acid that normalizes the amount of homocysteine. It is a positive role in metabolizing minerals, moreover as inhibitor activities. The studies have shown that the prime intake of vitamin B complex reduces the probabilities of upset. Treats depression. The intake of pteroyl monoglutamic acid with an adequate quantity of veggies additionally as plant foods helps to treat the time period naturally. The high intake of pteroyl monoglutamic acid helps to lower the time period considerably in depressed patients. Prevent dementia. The studies show that top levels of homocysteine will increase the possibilities of insanity and Alzheimer's sickness. The low quantity of vitamin B complex within the body results in poor mental activities. The B vitamin decreases the amount of homocysteine. However, it's not been established that it improves the psychological feature operate and forbid diseases. The addition of diet made in vitamin B complex and nutrients helps to treat Alzheimer's sickness. Treatment for cancer. The low presence of folacin within the body will increase the possibilities of colon, cervical, breast, respiratory organ, and brain cancer. The proof has shown that the diet made in folacin protects from cancer development. One ought to intake the natural types of alimentation as a result of the pharmaceutical style of alimentation differs from natural ones which offer the protection. Utilizes amino acids, iron and vitamin B12. Anemia is additionally one among the causes of vitamin B deficiency. It is the health condition wherever the red blood cells area units shaped improperly. Vitamin B assists within the absorption of B vitamin that helps to soak up the nutrients brain performs and provides energy. Pregnancy. Folate is one in every of the important sustenance that is needed for having healthy maternity. The deficiency of vitamin B ends up in ectoblast defects like a congenital defect, congenital anomaly, limb malformations, and heart ailments. Vitamin B is important for repeating DNA and builds new cells. Low levels of vitamin B results in development problems that stay one's birth additionally. Unifolate greens, avocados, beans, and citrus square measure the vitamin B made foods that one ought to intake throughout maternity. Provides energy. Anemia is development of iron deficiency. The low quantity of iron ends up in low hemoglobin. Thanks to that, adequate quantity of gas couldn't be transported to the cells. The iron deficiency results in poor mental operate, lack energy, and apathy. Kids and premenopausal ladies square measure in high possibilities of littered with anemia if they are not consuming proper foods with iron. Antioxidants of spinach protect aging. Aging is another side effect that we tend to face because of aerophilus stress. Aging may be a natural action, however, free radicals will build it worse. Free radicals injure skin cells that end in wrinkles and blemished skin. Antioxidants like B-carotene, zeaxanthin, lutein A, and ascorbic acid provides protection from free radicals. Due to its bumper supply of A and ascorbic acid, it proves rather more helpful, while A is needed for nourishment to take care of healthy skin. Spinach protects and nourishes eye. The harmful effects of free radicals are at the cellular level. These free radicals damage every and each cell on its approach. The eye isn't safe from these harmful free radicals. These free radicals damages the eye tissue layer that results in cataract or eye vision loss. Antioxidants like fat-soluble vitamins, vitamin C, B-carotene, carotenoid, and xanthophyll give additional protection from free radicals. Along with fat-soluble vitamin is crucial permanently vision. High fiber improves digestion and boosts detoxification. Healthy digestion is needed for higher absorption and detoxification. Better absorption of nutrients is feasible once the foods are digestible properly. The fiber in bacilla provides foodstuff throughout digestion. It makes digestion sleek and nutrients are absorbed properly. Along with fiber helps to scrub poisonous substances, keep within the colon and additionally provides protection from carcinoma. Spinach keeps anemia away. Malabar spinach contains iron and vitamin C, which promotes the formation of blood cells and reduces the risk of anemia. Calcium and magnesium help to develop healthy bone. Malabar spinach contains calcium and magnesium, which helps bone to proper develop, strengthens the bones, and reduces the risk of osteoporosis. Get better immunity with spinach high vitamin C content. A better immune system is essential to stay protected from a disease like common cold and infections. To the better immune system, vitamin C is required. 100 gram Bacilla leaves contain 102 mg of vitamin C, which is 170% of the recommended daily allowance. It is also found that healthy vitamin C intake can shorten the duration of illness. So take the benefit of Bacilla and stay protected from diseases. Better sleep. Malabar spinach provides decent quantities of magnesium, a mineral that is critical to relax the stress muscles thanks to lack of sleep. Once the muscles endure relaxation, the body sinks into comfy sleep. Prevents urinary tract infections. Consumption of Malabar spinach, particularly in a dish or raw type, is found to own a decent preventive and remedial result in tract infection and reduces the burning sensation throughout voiding. Protects skin. Antioxidants like carotenoid, lutein, beta-carotene, vitamins A and C present in Malabar spinach leaves provide sensible protection from free radicals which may injure skin and produce in premature aging. Malabar spinach can be eaten at any time of day. It goes well with every food item. Nutritional value. The serving size of 44 grams provides 10 calories. It provides 50 microgram of almond, B9, 0.65 mg of iron, 0.049 mg of copper, and 21 mg of magnesium. Malabar spinach is wealthy in nutriment B9 and different proteins still as minerals. How to buy and store Malabar spinach? In the stores, search for the contemporary harvest that includes shiny, succulent leaves and firm stems. The inexperienced has no distinctive flavor of its own. However, once hard baked, it mixes well with alternative ingredients within the food, additionally to conferring gel-like consistency to the food. Avoid sunken, dry, bruised, and discolored leaves. Bacilla includes a comparatively sensible period. At home, untie the bushel, wrap the leaves in a very damp artifact, and place in an airtight zip pouch or bag, and store within the white goods set at a high ratio. Although the greens will be held on within the ice box for up to 4 days, contemporary leaves ought to be eaten up at the earliest to induce most nutrition advantages. Ways to use Malabar spinach. Malabar spinach can be used in a variety of ways. The greens area unit mixed with different fashionable greens to arrange sag in India and Bangladesh pui shak with accessories, lentils or food. Its flower and seed heads are edible and getting used to arrange recipes with seasonal food. In the southern components of the Republic of India, Malaysia, Indonesia, China, and the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, its leaves and stem area unit employed in varied variation to arrange curries, stews, soups, etc., and ingested with rice, bread, and noodles. In the Philippines, wherever the greens referred to as alukbati, area unit getting used to arrange savory stir fries with meat and vegetables. Malabar spinach berries employed in the fragrant rich condiment in several components of coastal Karnataka and Coorg districts. The berries are utilized in jam and jelly in Sri Lanka. Medicinal values of Malabar spinach. Malabar spinach is employed for the treatment of biological process disorders, high pressure level, fluid retention, edema, acute and chronic kidney disease, sciatica, urinary organ stones, humor swelling, glaucoma, liver disorders, and plenty of a lot of diseases. Malabar spinach leaves causes multiplied total excretory product output and multiplied excretion of atomic number 11, potassium, chloride and hydrogen carbonate levels. They conjointly exert important anti-urolithiasis against stone activity by lowering the elevated levels of salt, metal and phosphate in the excretory product, any metal, creatinine and acid in humor. The leaves also are used historically in inflammation of tract, cold, cough because of demulcent action. Demulcents square measure agents that kind soothing layer on the tissue layer, therefore giving relief in pain and inflammation. The leaves square measure squeezed and applied at the place of bite. The pregnant girl's UN agency square measure plagued by vicious issues will consume the juice made up of these leaves and obtain fast relief from it. The stewed vegetable reduces mouth ulcers and constipation. Season in which Malabar spinach is available. Malabar spinach is available all year round. Safety profile. Phylates and dietary fiber gifts within the leaves could interfere with the bioavailability of iron, calcium, and magnesium. Like in spinach, Bacilla too contains acid, a naturally occurring substance found in some vegetables which can crystallize as salt stones within the tract in some folks. People with far famed salt tract stones, area units suggested avoiding feeding them. Adequate intake of water is therefore inspired to take care of traditional pedal output. Malabar spinach fun facts. Malabar spinach is eaten like leafy vegetables and is a perennial vine, although it is often grown as an annual in cooler climates as frost affects the plant. Malabar spinach is also known as creeping spinach, climbing spinach, Indian spinach, Chinese spinach, wine spinach, Vietnamese spinach, and Ceylon spinach. Malabar spinach has the scientific name of Bacilla alba, a white flowering green stem variety, or Bacilla ruba, a plant that has red stems. Malabar spinach is from the family Bacilliaceae, the family of some flowering plants including a number of other vines with edible leaves and roots. In a tropical environment, the Malabar spinach vine can grow up to a height of 10 meters, that is 33 feet. Malabar spinach has thick, green glossy leaves that can grow quite large and berries that contain a red liquid that can be used as a dye. Its leaves are commonly used in Asian cuisine, either cooked or raw, and they are said to have pepper and citrus flavors when raw, as well as being high in iron, calcium, vitamin C, vitamin A, fiber, and other vitamins and minerals. Malabar spinach, although named spinach, is not from the spinach family at all, although it tends to resemble spinach when it's cooked. It is a great thickener for soups and other dishes due to the mucilage content in the plant, which tends to cause the leaves to become slimy if they are cooked for more than a short time. It grows best in a sunny area and a warm climate and is great summer vegetable. Malabar spinach, botanically known as Bacilla alba, is also well known as the Ceylon spinach, Indian spinach, and Bacilla. Malabar spinach is not technically spinach nor is it botanically related to spinach, though it can be used as a substitute for spinach in dishes and salads. It is used most widely in the tropics of India and Asia, where it is known as Huang Ti Kai in China, which translates into emperor's vegetable.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.